Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty Passion. Yes, Reginae has dropped a video today. All right, what did she do? She finally started her Christmas shopping. I did too, Reginae. I started yesterday and did some today. Armand is gonna love, I guess it's saying, his gift. So let's get started with this reaction vlog from Reginae. But before I get started, I need you to like my video. I need you to like my video right now because you already know it's going to be great. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, who better? Who better? Ain't nobody better than Beauty Passion. Nobody. Thank you everybody for watching my previous videos. I just had to react to a couple people because I just had to get some things off my chest and just expose them for being followers and getting all that out of my system. So now I'm back to regular content. I'm back to doing my reaction videos with Reginae. I'm behind 2 videos. So I missed 2 videos that I wanted to react to. I might do those reactions today. I'm not sure. But for right now, we're going to get started on this Reginae Christmas shopping video. Let's go.
Good morning, my name is
Hey,
how are you doing? Hope you guys slept good. It is a great day today.
It is.
Today we are going to Escape the Room Christmas edition. Armand has his friends here in town.
What is Escape the Room? Huh? Christmas edition. That went over my head.
And so he's going to be here with them. But I'm going with my homegirl and I'm bringing Crazy Casey. And I was like trying to get my family, but I mean obviously like my little cousins and everybody just be real busy. So I wanted to do something really fun today. So I booked it and we're about to start getting ready to go. Yeah, I can't wait because I'm excited, like, and I want to know how are we going to be escaping Christmas, like, just giving the Grinch vibes, but I'm going to see. I'm about to
Escape the Room, what's that?
And, yeah, I'll be back when everybody gets here. You look so good.
Hey!
And you trying to match me.
Huh?
I say you look good and you trying to
match it.
look at us, yeah.
Let's see. Okay, they cute or whatever. They got on purple. They got on purple or whatever.
I picked out I have my outfit first.
When did you pick that out?
I got it in the mail, so I just put it on.
When did you go get it? Because I ain't seen it.
Remember I had I told my journey to go grab it this morning. But yeah, I had a haircut.
He not coming to Escape the Room with me. He gonna be so
Who you
mad.
going with?
Casey.
You know what I mean? We gonna come together though and do something crazy.
They look cute. They look cute.
Period. Happy Saturday, y'all. But I'm still waiting.
Good.
Man.
Looking good outside.
He got his Armani chain on.
When I be waiting for a time, it comes so slow. But when I want to wait
What time you waiting?
2:30.
Oh, so you waiting?
That is so true. When you be waiting around for something to happen and to hurry up and happen, it seems like time be moving so slow. Like something you excited about, you be like, dang, it's only 3 o'clock. It ain't happening till 5. I understand what you saying, now. I understand.
Because I'm ready to do it.
She ready to
Y'all,
go.
look at my girl.
Hey, Christina. Hey, Jay. I don't know who the third person is.
On the way.
Hey.
Say hi, Rob.
What's up?
Hey, Rob, the driver.
This is so pretty over here. Y'all, we walking up. I do not know where we going. Y'all see it? This is cute.
It is. They ain't got no snow or nothing on the line. Must be nice.
We just came from this little alley downstairs. We was in the wrong place. Okay, we have to find it. Okay, y'all, we're in an escape room, but we can't record. We're about to go in this room. I'm gonna let y'all know how everything went. It's a cute little door or whatever.
Somebody tell me in the comments what's an escape room. I don't know what that is. Y'all got me with that one.
Y'all ready?
So ready to escape.
Who the third girl is?
I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna give y'all a little.
What's the third girl name? Y'all ain't never seen her before. What's her name?
readiness. See how it's so confusing? Okay, y'all, we just finished it. Y'all, honestly, that shit was so hard, right?
That was hard. It was fun, but
And guess what, y'all? We finished it, but right when we were like 5 seconds, we late opened the door. We really won. We really won. Look who was late. Casey, come here.
Oh, okay, Casey.
No, we didn't. We won. No, we didn't. This man came late, and he came late.
Probably would have survived, but it died.
Boy, well, we're about to. I want to go somewhere. I want to do something else now because they ain't let us take.
Why she started talking about she want to go get something to eat?
I'm gonna figure it out, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So I am on the way to pick up one of ARMON'S gifts.
Oh.
Ooh. Yeah.
Oh.
That's what I'm doing. So I'm about to.
She early gift shopping. That's right.
I'm gonna get them, but oh my god, what is it? Oh my god, what is it? Where are we at? Is it right here? Okay, so y'all, isn't this so cute? Okay, so I'm over here looking at
Oh, that music.
Shout out to Chris and y'all come over here support. Okay, y'all, look at this one. This is really cute.
Oh, that's nice.
Like this is dainty though. Like I would like this.
I don't know. I like that for a man. I like that.
This is cute. This is how much is this?
Which one? That one's 16.
16.
Yeah, 16,000.
16,000.
It look good though.
This is a smaller version.
And then how much is that? 9. Okay.
Okay, so she says that her price is about ready now.
I'm about to figure out what I'm about to get him. Oh, nothing. Well, my hands is. Oh, nothing. Just checking out my range.
I know that's right. Oh, that look pretty on her hand.
This is beautiful. This is beautiful.
Oh, that looks so pretty.
What? This says Reginae. How much is this?
35.
What? 35K? Okay.
Thank you so much. Oh, yeah.
Protect my age.
Boom. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Thank you for this. All right, y'all. We out of here.
Let me know on the side.
The jewelry store.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Stupid. What is
Casey is crazy. Talking about they bought the jewelry store.
We gonna get through. Yes, okay, so I got Armand's gift. I
Yes.
hope he loves it.
I know you picked the
I think he's
other
gonna love
one.
it because, you know, I think I have good taste in jewelry.
I like it the
But
link.
right now we about to go get something to eat, and then I'm gonna head home because, you know, your girl don't be outside like that, you know. I pop out and pop back in.
Pop out and pop in.
Now we need to figure out what we about to eat. Okay, we came to Frost, everybody. Look at Kate's crazy face.
What you did my birthday party when I first came in?
How was jail?
How was jail? Oh,
What?
that's a question you want to ask.
Don't put it on no table. Not on the floor, neither. Not on the floor. Not on the floor. In the
I'm
car.
not hungry.
Boy, put it in your, tell your girlfriend to hold it.
She like, I don't want that.
She not with you.
She like, I don't want that either. Where they at?
Me too.
Where they at? Did they say Frost Bistro? Like Kirk Frost and Rashida Frost? Let me know if that's what they said. And if it is, have y'all ever went there and ate? Because I be seeing it on Instagram, but that's about it. Oh, that look good. Oh, that look good.
Yummy. It's good, Kate?
Oh, that do look good.
Boy, you say that about every place. Frost Bistro.
Oh, they have Frost Bistro.
Jade is making me try these Brussels sprouts.
You gotta cry.
Look at you.
So, gotta do something.
They look good. They
I
fried.
like vegetables.
Look how she looking at them like hell to the no.
I'm gonna be mad if I'm not
Like,
like
I don't even like dip it in that sauce and eat it. Get more
You
sauce.
can bite it if you don't want it that big.
Watch this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That shit good, huh?
Oh, she don't like it. She don't like it.
y'all. She's shocked that she like it.
She's shocked that she like it.
She gonna say she shocked she liked it. And she bit it and put it back in there.
This all gifts, y'all.
Oh, nothing. All right, y'all. I hope you guys like this video. I just got home, about to chill and relax. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and press that bell notification so you can be notified every time I drop. Now, love y'all. Bye.
Oh, that was a good video for Reginae. Put in the comments which one you think she got, the 9K or the 16K bracelet. Which one y'all think? I think she bought the 16K bracelet for him. I think it was the 16K bracelet. What y'all think? Because the 16K bracelet, I liked it, to be honest. The 9K bracelet looked okay too, but I don't know. Buy him the 16K one. That's in my opinion. Which one y'all think she picked out for him? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you all for watching. Hecky now, Joe. It's Beauty Passion, and I'm out.